Welcome to Dishing It with Stacy. As the chill of autumn settles in, there's nothing quite like a bowl of nourishing, hearty soup to warm you up from the inside out. Today we're bringing together the earthy flavors of sweet potatoes, nutty wild rice, and fresh leafy kale to create a plant-based autumn soup that's as comforting as it is wholesome. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and rich flavors, this soup is perfect for a cozy evening or as a meal prep staple to keep you fueled throughout the week. Whether you're new to plant-based cooking or just looking for a satisfying, nutritious recipe, my sweet potato wild rice kale soup will hit all the right notes. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. This hearty fall soup will bring warmth and wellness to every spoonful. Start by removing the casing of your plant-based sausage. Slice and brown in a large pot with a little oil of your choice. Next, we're adding one small chopped onion. Sauté until translucent. Next, add one large carrot, peeled and chopped. Now add 1 tablespoon of vegetable stock concentrate to 3 cups of hot water and stir until it's dissolved. Next, add 1 to 2 medium to large, peeled and chopped sweet potatoes. Wash and drain 1 cup of wild rice. Add 3 more cups of vegetable stock. Next, we're adding fresh black pepper, garlic powder, dried sage, and parsley. And don't forget, this recipe or the link to this recipe will be in the description box below. Now add 1 can of pumpkin puree. This thickens the soup and adds a creamy richness. Add 2 to 4 bay leaves. Next, add 4 cups of de-spined and washed kale. Stir and simmer for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Serve with crusty bread and enjoy. You really got to try this one, guys. It's really amazing. Have a great day. Bye.